What's up, YouTube? Today we have ROTEK model number X001 PU J4JD, and this endoscope. Also, you receive user manual. You can use it for Android or Apple system. You just scan barcode at the back with iCarrier. You can just scan the code with application and find the software. Also, you receive device like this, a tool, hooks, all types of adapters if you lose your jewelry or anything. The scope itself, power button on the side, it is on, Wi-Fi is on, picture and brightness. Let's go ahead, connect it to the phone and check how it works. Alright, let's power it on. Then we need to go on iPhone to Wi-Fi. You need to press this button all the way on top. Now you see UPC camera, we're connected. Then we'll open UCam application. You can see the image. That's right there. You can see my arm. You can take photos. With the remote. Just right there. Saying camera disconnected. Let's restart application. Capture successfully. Capture successfully. We can change resolution. You can change setup password, anything for this camera. Also, we can record a video. It's rolling right now. Let's go ahead and put it to a sink or somewhere with a tube and see how it looks inside. But next I will check the Android system. Alright, so now we power it on. You can see the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking. So now we will click the UPC and add a number, connect. We connected. Now we will open UCam. Now you can see we have picture from the camera. It's my sink. Let's shut down light. You can see how dirty it is. That's right there. You can go more, find the problem, or if you drop jewelry or anything, necklace, or it's clogged, you can use tools to take it out. Very nice quality. Thanks for watching, guys. Click like and subscribe.